Hi guys, I wanted to make a quick video on some topics and issues that I've been having with my friends. So, everybody says that chickens are birds. Chickens are not birds. They're animals. Okay? Everybody says that chickens are birds, but they're not. They can't fly. Yeah, they lay eggs like birds, but you know what else lays eggs? Platypuses. And so do frogs. But they're not birds, are they? No, they're not. So you know what? This is just a quick video for me to tell you guys that chickens are not birds. I've had enough of everybody telling me that chickens are birds. They are not.